How to watch movies on Telegram without downloading. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to watch movies on Telegram without taking up storage space on your device. If you prefer streaming instead of downloading, this guide is for you. Make sure to watch until the end for all the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and go to Settings at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap Data and Storage. Under Using Cellular, disable Auto Download Media. Then, go back, select Using Wi-Fi, and turn off Auto Download Media there as well. That's it. You can now stream movies on Telegram without saving them to your device. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.